Windows 10 Antivirus not detecting this information stealing malware. Go to spyshelter.com. Security Test Tool. Security Test Tool is a non-malicious application which can be used on live systems. It does not require installation. This tool simulates few methods used by sophisticated malware to steal your data. It will not damage your system files, and all captured data is stored locally on your PC until the moment you close the application. This security test tool consists of 6 separate modules. Keylogging test, Webcam capturing test, Screen capturing test, Clipboard capturing test, Sound recording test, System protection test, Registry access, writing file to startup folder, service registering. It was not blocked by the protection. It was not blocked by the protection. The system did not pass this test. The system did not pass this test. Trojans are able to get control.
Thanks for your time.